Now, from today in Delhi, a mammoth campaign to determine the spread of the coronavirus disease. Amidst a rising number of cases, the serological survey will be done throughout Delhi between the 27th of June and 10th of July to enable authorities to undertake a comprehensive analysis of COVID-19 and prepare a broad strategy to combat the pandemic in the national capital. The serological test or sero-surveillance study is part of a new COVID response plan prepared by the Centre for Delhi. Serological tests are used to identify antibodies which are created by the immune system when someone is infected with the virus, and antigens are there in a person's blood. Well, let's go across to Akshay for more on this. So, Akshay, it's all part of this new aggressive program in Delhi to combat coronavirus, especially as the disease numbers continue to climb.
Well, exactly, Gargi. Even today, we are seeing that the cases of COVID-19 are continuously rising. Yesterday, the Delhi Health Bulletin that came out again, showed that how the number of cases are continuously coming, are breaking records. Yesterday as well, there were more than 3,000 cases that were registered, taking the total tally of the national capital above 75,000. So that is a very grim news for the people of the national capital. We remember that Amit Shah, the Home Minister himself, is overlooking the situation. There was a meeting on 21st June, which was also attended by Ajay Bhalla, who is the Union Home Secretary. And yesterday, Ajay Bhalla himself reviewed the implementation of all the decisions that were taken on 21st of June and how the entire thing will be implemented. And one of the most important part of that meeting was to conduct a mammoth serological survey across the national capital to understand the spread of COVID-19. All the teams that have to conduct this serological survey have already been trained by the NCDC, which is National Center for Disease Control, and all of these teams will start the serological survey from today to understand the extent of the spread of COVID-19, and that exactly is very important to understand and to create a broad strategy to contain the outbreak in the national capital. Also, one more thing here, Gargi, Arogya Setu app and Itihas app have been approved by the Home Ministry to use as a combined tool to contain the outbreak. So that also is very, very important as far as the broad strategy is concerned. So several changes are being made and several new strategies are being made by the government as far as the national capital is concerned, because it remains to be seen that how exactly the entire pandemic will be controlled in these major cities, now be it Delhi or Mumbai. But as of now, this entire scheme will be implemented in Delhi, and if successful, the government can look forward to implement the similar kind of campaign all across the country.
All right, Akshay, thanks so much for joining us with those details.